Hi everyone, now we are going to unbox these two parcels. So without wasting any time, let's start. Okay, inside we have another packing. So this is a good type of packing. Okay, how to open this? Yes. Okay, nice. This will be reused to our customers. Okay. Okay, actually, this is a new set. I like new lot which I got for our website sales. It's already in pre-booking stage. Already two sets have been booked. So here we have. This is Iran currency. You can see three notes, all three. And next one we have here is and again Mauritania currency 500, so let it be there. And here it is Cambodia. Usually Cambodia we get 100 denomination, so this is a 500 denomination currency, also in UNC condition. And the next one we have here is uh, Syria. Syria 200 pounds. This also we got two. And one more what we have here is again Iran two currencies 10,000 I think reals, yes, yeah, reals. So this is also two currencies. And here we have some good type of conditioned, I mean hard to find condition notes. You can see Singapore $1. Actually this is a old issue, I think so, if I am not wrong, since I am dealing these or for the first time. So this is a three currency. And another two, Ethiopia. You can see a good UNC condition, Ethiopia we have two. And the next what we have here is Egypt 1 pound currency, also two. And this one is a special thing. Actually we got it for a set. You can see 150 and 100 South Sudan pound. So this is one set and this is a second set. So this one type alone comes as a set. So technically we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 and 9. So technically we have 9 collections over here. So that's all for this first parcel. So let's quickly check the second one and let's quickly open. Okay, here we have some packaging I think, yeah. And you can see this. You can see this is a birthday date or wedding anniversary date, and these both I purchased for my local customer. He will collect from me directly. So this one for wedding and this one for birthday. So you can check all the serial number 36 and 00. 00 means 2000 year. So all the three notes are super. I mean UNC in condition. You can check with any expert. All are original notes, and this one is for wedding. You can see a very good one. So that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. For this video, we got two special date currency and few nine varieties of foreign collections. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.